Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your products in and out of Miva when you have things like these. See, these products have leading zeros. Excel likes to do some magic for you, and we're going to show you how to beat it. So we've generated an output file here by the usual methods here. So just the regular export products to flat file. Do your magic there, and then I'll show you what we got. So let's open this up just in a text editor to show you what I'm talking about. So you can see we got some products with some crazy product codes. And what's going to happen, you'll see right away, is that Excel is going to take that data and manipulate it automatically on us. So we want to get around that. So I'll show you here. See? Scientific notation, blah, blah. Anyways, not good. So let's show you the tricks. So let's close this, and we're going to open up a new Excel document. Okay, so what we want to do is go to the data, and then from others, and then I'll show you from text here. Yours might be in a slightly different spot. I got my screen a little smaller here. Okay, so browse to your file here. Click import. Now you're going to get a wizard here. So it's really important that you do these things. So it is delimited, so that's true. But we do need to change the file origin because the Miva server is encoded specifically in UTF-8 usually. So scroll down here and then find the UTF-8. Okay, so 65001 Unicode UTF-8. That'll stop some other issues here, mainly with a lot of special characters not getting imported properly. So then click next. Okay, so we want to uncheck tab. It is comma delimited. You can see the commas. Okay, now what we want to do is click next, and then we want to tell Excel not to mess with this one. So we're going to select this, and we're going to choose text. So choose the text data format for anything you don't want Excel to mess around with. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to hit finish, and we can just put it in the same sheet. And now Excel didn't mess with our data. Okay, so that's how you do it. What I suggest is saving this. Okay, so just save it as an Excel file, so that way Excel will keep its columns for you. Okay, and now we can save it as at will, and we'll open it up and it'll be fine. So I'll show you that. Okay. So when you're done with this and you want to go back into Miva, you just export it again as a CSV. So File, Save As, and then choose up here, CSV. And they changed it a little bit. You can either choose this one, which is UTF CSV, if you're having issues with character encoding, or else you can go to this one as well. And I usually just rename it a little bit. So import me, and then save. And then back in Miva, I would import this one. And that import module would be, the normal spot.